To you today is, why do you think it's important for Jamaicans at large and our teachers specifically, the need to understand what exactly is post-traumatic stress, what are the symptoms, and the long-term impact on mental health if not treated?
Thank you so much for that. I'm so happy and excited for this year because even the Olympics, as you all know, has made us seriously talking about mental health. And so that's a wonderful question. So post-traumatic stress disorder usually presents itself after you have had some negative experience, you've been traumatized. It can be a car accident, it can be a shock, it can be something that you just never dealt with, and then 2 days down the road, 2 weeks down the road, 2 years down the road, 20 years down the road, something triggers the memory and it causes you to behave as abnormally. Let me simplify it like that. And so what we have recognized, and it's even worse when you have little or no support system.
Wow.
So you can just imagine now, we have teachers who might have their own social and emotional issues. They have the situation thrust upon them to work with children. And you can just imagine, for example, a teacher who is teaching children who are at the lower academic end of the realm. And then she's coping with all of this. So then burnout is going to come even faster than it normally would in a regular academic setting. Then she has that to deal with, and then she has to deal with possibly a few of the students who are experiencing traumatic episodes. No, whereas in a regular academic setting, she can just call the guidance counselor in and they come in and that. Some of the schools don't have guidance counselors. So that additional stuff is thrust upon them. And even where they're guidance counselors, some guidance counselors now have had to be doing additional work. I know of schools where they're given other academic things to do. So think of this teacher's well-being, their emotional well-being, their spiritual well-being, their social well-being. Then, of course, we have teachers who have children.
Yep.
So they're coping with their 2 to 4 children in the home on the various devices doing that. Many are single parents.
Yes.
They don't have that support system. And then you and I know that the light bill has gone up, the food bill has gone up, the internet data bill has gone up, and all of that is impacting and causing them to not act and or react positively to things as they normally would in a regular setting, pre-COVID. And a big concern there is now, what is the support system there for them?